Okay, now that we are done with some of the configuration in MM at the enterprise level, and some of the basic configurations have been done for material management and logistics. So when I'm moving ahead with material master, and we make a material right now, and then we'll procure it. But before procuring it, we'll make a purchase info record and sourcing list. And for that, Um, for sourcing this, we need a material plus a vendor. So material master, MM01, industry sector can be cement, let's say. Material type will be our raw material, double it for two, select use, basic data, chasing purchase of text, and what else? General plant data. So we'll just start with the basics, question one, question two, and okay, plant is 8842. Description. Okay, let's say we are requiring filling, let's say, Venus unit of measure is kg. Material group. This is very important that we have already created at the back end, and that's what is needed over here. Okay, and we have create RH. Okay, RH 8842. We can have our own material groups as well, all material number. If this is coming from a legacy system, it has been maintained. Okay, division, of course, if it is defined, we define division, store division with that, we also define division, product allocation, X material plant status. What's this? It is blocked for procurement whenever it is issued from a plant, or it is blocked for bomb header, bills of material header, blocked for sales. We'll not choose this right now. Okay. Valid from, we don't need a validity for this. Authorization group is for users who will be using this material. Gross rate, this can be left as empty. This can be filled in while we are um, completing the front-end documents that we'll see later. While environmentally relevant, is it a liquid or highly viscous? That can be chosen over here. Classifications. Material class, is it a batch or is it a material class? Okay, and you can choose file class is equal to empty, and we can define these classes at the back end there. Use it. Basic purchasing of text. I'm not choosing sales text because I'm not sure if a sales org has been made or not. Jump on data because we have a plan. Accounting, one costing. Let's begin that. Double it for two. Pillar, kg, kg, raw material, and purchasing. In purchasing, of course, we have to take care of some of the uh, batch management, automatic people purchasing group, and sourcing list, because we'll be creating a sourcing. This is very important. GR processing time, no, we don't want to have a GR processing right now. Purchasing group. Okay. Cover packaging, do we have there any so the list, just not thinking this purchasing group will be actually responsible for buying this. Okay. Okay. Moving ahead, purchase order text. Inspection stock is for basically QA at the GRI or um, at the receiving time. It's for that. Okay. Come on. Okay. Uh, let's it's not activated. Okay. Let's see some details. It's already made. I just want to explain. Yeah, not really activated. Okay. Create another one. I want to line this is creating. Select use. Basic data, PC, other data, and enter. Okay. Good night. All the requirements of the material about and and purchasing order unit delivery. On the unit of kg. Cycle counting it is at my change for certain ABC and other activity list of state. The only way to change is with manual and record. The ability to always remain in the specified cycle counting category. Okay. Counting. There is an important field. Important field evaluation class based on which you basically post in the GL accounts if there are different materials, let's say of color, of weight, of density of the same material type can be posted to various GL accounts. That is for purchasing, for consumption, for issue, for GRIR. So the 322, 300. So that's why evaluation class is used. And there is another electron testing profit center C01. We've already created that save, and 163 is created.
यार ये मत खोला करो प्लीज मैं ना
MM02 does not exist. So this is the material that has been created. Let's see. We'll see how to activate it in the next lecture.